Hi there, I'm back again with another lesson on operator, and this time we're going to learn about additive operator. Okay, so additive operator returns the sum of two numbers, which is pretty common, right? So let's do that. Variable result equals to, let's add two numbers, 20 plus 30. Okay, console log result. Not sure, you guessed it, 50. Cool. Okay, so that's fine, it works on numbers, we know that. But what about strings? So for example, let's name variable name equals to, let's create a string, right? Variable age equals to, let's say 30. Now let's create a sentence. Let's say my name is, and I use this operator, my name is name, and then and my age is age. Okay, so I create a sentence and I use the strings in between, and then I use the plus operator. So let's say console log my name is Ryan and my age is 30. I guess that works. For example, let's try another one. Variable num1 equals to 10. Variable num2 equals to 10. But this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a string. Okay, so number and string we're adding equals to num1 plus num2. Okay, and then console log total. So what will happen here is one is string, one is number. But like I told you, if either of the operand is a string, then when you use the plus operator, it will convert other operand also a string, also to a string. So it will use the toString method internally and convert it to string. Yeah, as you can see, 10 10. It didn't add 20, instead became 10 10. Okay, so this is how it behaves, the plus operator, when you use with strings. Okay, but if you use with subtract, it's obvious. Minus console log total. So let's say 1. So 1 is a string, so this is the operand. So if we were using the plus operator, 10 plus 1 would be 11. Or no, 10 plus 1 would be 101, just like we saw here. It would add like that, but because it's a subtract, it will convert it to a mathematical operator. Okay, so behind the scene it will use number, but when you use this plus operator on strings, behind the scene it will use the toString method. toString method. This is the string method we discussed earlier. Okay, that's what happens there. But with this operator, number method gets called behind the scene. Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, so yeah, it's been subtracted to 9. So this is done. On the next lesson we will talk about relational operators. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.